Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 8 of January 2020 question. Question number 12. If minimum value of 19CP is A, 20CQ is B, 21CR is C, then relation between A, B, C is 4 options are given. This is the problem in the house of binomial theorem. Now, the maximum value of 19CP is A. Let's try to solve the question that 19C0 to 19C19 in this series maximum possibility of maximum value is 2. Is it clear? If maximum value of 19CP is A, so let's suppose 19C0, 19C1, up to 19C19, the maximum possibility of maximum value is, number of possibilities is 2. So just write down maximum possibility of maximum value is 2 here. So if A is the maximum value as given in the question, then A is equal to, we may write 19C19 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 18 by 2 means 19C9, and the another value is 19C10, and it also at the same because maximum value. Now secondly, second condition gives 20CQ is B if the maximum value of 20CQ is B. So again suppose 20C0, 20C1, up to 20C20, another maximum value is given here. So here the maximum value is 20C10 as it is happened in above. So here 20C10 is equal to B is given here as the 20C9 maximum value up to is B here given. So B is equal to, we may write 20C10. Once again, third condition is given that maximum value of 20CR is C. So again we suppose a series that 21C0, 21C1, up to 21C21, another this series have maximum value is C. So C is equal to 21C21 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 21 by 21C10. 20 minus 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10, 21C10. So here A is equal to 19C10, B is equal to 20C10, and C is equal to 21C10. That already solved. So I just, according to the answer provide, I just synchronize this just like this way. A by B is equal to 19 C10 divide 20 C10. So solving this, we get factorial 19 divide factorial 10 into factorial 9, and the denominator becomes factorial 20 divide factorial 10 into factorial 10. That is equal to factorial 9 divide factorial 10 factorial 9, and it is in the numerator, so it becomes factorial 10 into factorial 10 divide factorial 20. As factorial 10 and factorial 10 is cancelled off, and it is 10 into factorial 9, it's also after cancelling these it becomes only 10, and this after cancelled it is become 20 into factorial 9. After cancelling it becomes only 20. So 10 20, that is equal to half. So A by B is equal to half. Now B by C is equal to 20 factorial 20 C10 divide 21 C10. So simplifying this, we get factorial 20 divide factorial 10 into factorial 10, and its denominator becomes numerator, so it is become factorial 10 into factorial 11 divide factorial 21 after simplifying. Now factorial 10 into factorial 10 is cancelled off, and it is all 21 into factorial 20. So after cancellation it becomes 21, and it is become only 11. So it becomes 11 by 21. 11 by 21. So A by B is equal to, as we solve, 1 by 2, and our B by C is equal to 11 by 21. Now just simplifying this, A by 1 is equal to, we may say B by 2, and it is B by 11 is equal to C by 21. Now to reach our question as given, we just simplify that we multiply both denominator with 1 by 11. So it becomes denominator into 11 and whole is 1 by 11. So it becomes 1 by 11 is equal to B by 22. And it is also multiplied with half. So it becomes 1 B by 22 and it becomes C by 42. So this and this adding, we get 1 by 11 is equal to B by 22 is equal to C by 42. So I think we reached, and our option is A by 11, B by 22, C by 42. That is option 1. A by 11, B by 22 and C by 42. So here is the whole solutions. Any question, any queries, you should just comment me in the comment box. That's all. Thanks for watching my video.